Hello friends, in the previous topic we have studied disaccharides. Now in this topic we have talked about proteins and alpha amino acids. Chemically, proteins are polyamides which are high molecular weight polymers of the monomer units, that is alpha amino acids. Common sources of proteins are milk, pulses, peanuts, eggs and fishes. Proteins on complete hydrolysis give a mixture of alpha amino acid. Amino acid are the compounds containing amino group and carboxylic group. How we can represent alpha amino acid? Carbon atom at the center. We know that carbon is a tetravalent. One end it has a amino group, second end carboxylic group, third end hydrogen and fourth end R. In this way, we obtain general formula of alpha amino acid, that is a R single bond carbon single bond NH2 single bond H single bond carboxylic acid group. So let's start classification of amino acids. Amino acids are of three types. One acidic, second basic, third neutral amino acid. Present topic discuss about classification of amino acid. First one, acidic amino acid. If carboxyl groups are more in number than amino groups, amino acids are acidic in nature. For example, aspartic acid. How will you prepare aspartic acid? We know that general formula of alpha amino acids, and this acid contain R group. Side chain R of aspartic acid is equal to carboxylic acid single bond CH2 single bond. Then to prepare aspartic acid, that is a carboxylic acid group single bond CH2 single bond carbon single bond NH2 single bond H single bond carboxylic acid group. In this way, we are prepared 20 amino acids. Second, basic amino acid. If amino groups are more in number than carboxyl groups, amino acids are basic in nature. For example, lysine. Third one, neutral amino acid. The amino acids having equal number of amino and carboxyl groups are neutral amino acid. For example, glycine. In this video, we observed essential and non-essential amino acid. Proteins on hydrolysis give about 30 amino acids. Out of these, 20 amino acids are more common. First one, essential amino acid. The amino acids which cannot be synthesized in the body and are supplied through diet are called as essential amino acid. 10 essential amino acids are remembered in this way. Try this VIP mall. So here try represent tryptophan, TH represent threonine, HIS represent histidine. Now come to VIP. V represent valine, I for isoleucine, P for phenylalanine. Now come to mol. M represent methionine and just leave A. Then there 2L. First L represent lysine, second L represent leucine. Second one, non-essential amino acid. The amino acids which are synthesized in the body are called as non-essential amino acid, and non-essential amino acids are 10. For example, aspartic acid, and second one glutamic acid.